When we think of an apple, we often imagine a simple, red, perfectly round fruit. But the world of apples is far from simple. It's a dazzling story of color, flavor, and history. A journey that began thousands of years ago in the mountains of Central Asia, and has now blossomed into over 7,500 varieties grown across the planet. Each apple tells its own story, of soil, sun, and the hands that have shaped it through centuries of cultivation. Let's explore this colorful family, and meet some of the most beloved members from around the world. Let's begin with the reds, the most iconic of all. For generations, the red delicious ruled the fruit bowl. With its deep crimson skin and heart-shaped curves, it became the symbol of the perfect apple. Mildly sweet, soft in flavor, yet stunning in appearance. Then came the gala, a cheerful burst of orange and pink stripes on yellow skin. Crisp, juicy, and delightfully sweet, the gala is a favorite snack for apple lovers everywhere. From Japan, we met the Fuji, a masterpiece of red, gold, and pink hues, known for its incredible crunch and intense sweetness. It's one of the sweetest apples ever created, and one of the most popular worldwide. And we can't forget the Honeycrisp, a modern American sensation. Its flavor dances between sweet and tart. Its texture explodes with every bite. The Honeycrisp redefined what an apple could be. Next, we turn to the bright, crisp world of green apples. Leading the way is the famous Granny Smith, vivid green, firm, and tart. It was discovered by chance in Australia. Its bold, tangy flavor makes it perfect for baking, and its resistance to browning keeps it fresh in salads and desserts alike. Beside it stands the crisp and balanced Mutsu, also known as Crispin, a large green apple from Japan with a honey-like sweetness beneath its refreshing tartness. A perfect harmony between gentle and bold. Then we step into the warm glow of yellow and golden apples. Here, the golden delicious shines with its smooth, sunlit skin and mellow, sweet flavor. It's soft, delicate, and endlessly versatile. Perfect for eating fresh, baking pies, or making sauces. The Opal, a modern golden variety, sparkles with a tropical hint of vanilla and banana. And the Ginger Gold, with its subtle spiced aroma, is one of the earliest apples to ripen each season. But apples aren't limited to single colors. Some of the most beautiful are painted in multiple shades, a work of nature's artistry. Take the Pink Lady, or Crips Pink, a graceful mix of blush pink over green-yellow skin. It's both tart and sweet, with a crispness that lingers. The Braeburn, born in New Zealand, glows with streaks of red and gold, offering a complex balance of sweet tart flavor and rich aroma. And then there's the Ambrosia, a golden apple kissed with rose-red blush. As sweet as its name, often described as the honey of apples. The Jazz Apple joins the performance too. Bright, zesty, and bold, blending the heritage of Gala and Braeburn into a perfect melody of crunch and sweetness. Across the ocean, the Macintosh, a soft red and green classic from Canada, brings a gentle tartness and a nostalgic aroma loved for generations. And And its descendant, the Empire apple, combines Macintosh's flavor with the crispness of Red Delicious.
The black diamond apple is a rare variety from Tibet. It has a distinct dark purple, almost black, skin. Its unique color results from the high altitude and large temperature swings.
From Asia to Europe, from the orchards of New Zealand to the fields of America, the apple has adapted, evolved, and colored our world in endless shades of flavor. Each variety, from the tart green of Granny Smith, to the deep crimson of Red Delicious, the golden sweetness of Golden Delicious, and the lively blush of Pink Lady, tells the story of human curiosity and nature's creativity. So next time you walk past the apple display, don't just reach for the familiar red one. Pause, look closer. You might spot a variety you've never tried, one with a name, a color, and a flavor waiting to surprise you. Because the world of apples isn't just about fruit, it's about discovery, diversity, and delight. A living rainbow, born from history, and still growing, one bite at a time.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and for your continued support. If there are any specific plants or gardening topics you'd like to see in future videos, please don't hesitate to write your suggestions in the comments down below. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye for now.